Hey, what is up, YouTube? Here we go, another video. Figured I'd help you along on this next one, maybe. You're probably here because you're having some brake problems. A lot of times you'll have a soft pedal, squishy pedal, goes right to the floor, or making some weird noises. So I'm going to go through a couple of things, what's going on with this truck, and then show you what you'll need to replace, most likely. I'm going to actually do an upgrade. I'm going to change a few things out because I don't want this vacuum booster anymore, which kind of leads you into what's going on here. So I'm actually going to fire this truck up. That way you can hear and kind of see what the pedal's doing. And then I'll show you a few ways to diagnose your brakes. So that way you can see, you know, is it your master cylinder? Is it your power booster? Is it your hydro boost or whatnot? So we'll go into all that a little bit more, but for now, I'll show you what I got going on. Okay. Now, if I crack this, let me get the microphone over here. So all I'm doing is just moving that, and that's allowing air to go in there. So usually that tells you, okay, there's vacuum there. It's holding the seal. That brake pedal seems fine till I start it, and that's when you get the air leak. And your vehicle will run funny when that happens also. So again, key on, we're gonna try it again. Pedal goes down and to the floor. Down to the floor. Now what I'll do, instead of testing it, we're just going to unhook it. And that's another way to test. So you can hear the vacuum. Usually that means it's good. It's still holding that seal. The diaphragm inside's not bad. Okay. So now let's try it. Now, if that was bad, you should have a hard brake pedal. It will not go down now. So that just tells you that that power booster is not working. I kept hearing a weird like whistle sound on the inside, and as you can see here, that is why it was leaking, is because the seal failed right along here.